Hi, and welcome to CxPlus, a focused plugin system built for Squarespace websites. CxPlus exists for one reason: to close the gap between what Squarespace gives you out of the box and what serious websites actually need once they grow. Most sites don't fail because the design is bad. They fail because the experience is inefficient. People can't find what they need. Pages feel static. Navigation becomes unclear, collections get heavy, and small friction points quietly reduce trust. CxPlus is a subscription-based toolkit of retrofit plugins. That wording matters. These aren't random add-ons. Each plugin is designed to work with existing Squarespace structures and upgrade the user experience without requiring a rebuild. The core logic is simple: reduce decision friction, improve navigation and clarity, make content feel more interactive and intentional, keep performance stable as pages scale, and keep everything deployable with minimal effort. You're not buying a plugin, you're gaining access to a system, a structured library of enhancements with tutorials and consistent setup patterns so you can move quickly without breaking your site. CxPlus is built for owners, operators, and builders who want control and consistency without getting dragged into custom development every time a limitation appears. That's the foundation. A new standard of user interaction and customer experience for Squarespace. Designed to be practical, fast to deploy, and easy to maintain. CxPlus contains a broad set of plugins, and the easiest way to understand them is by category, because each category targets a specific type of user friction. 1. Navigation and wayfinding. These plugins help visitors move with confidence, especially on content-heavy sites. Page sections navigation and page sections screen view display give you guided section-level navigation. Multi-level breadcrumb navigation and auto breadcrumb navigation backtracker improve orientation across deep content paths. Desktop and mobile 2-tier drop-down menu and 2-tier mega swipe menu improve menu usability for larger sites. Scroll back to top and universal page. Scroll length indicator. Keep long pages readable and less fatiguing. 2. Content interaction and controlled disclosure. These plugins make content feel intentional instead of overwhelming. Show and hide content. Code block retrofit lets you reveal content based on user intent. Interactive content grouping. Filter turns dense pages into filtered, scannable groups. Countdown timer supports launches and deadlines with simple clarity. 3. Blog and article experience upgrades. Built for long-form reading, navigation, and retention. Table of contents. TOC and blogs. Subsection. Navigation reduce scroll friction. Blogs read time estimator sets expectations. Blogs subsection. Read indication helps readers keep their place. Blog banner, thumbnail display, and blog banner. Additional displays enrich the top of articles with structured context. Published date display reformatter and by author banner. Text reformatter, standardized presentation. Load more blog article collection display keeps collections lighter and improves browsing flow. 4. Store and commerce clarity. These plugins reduce uncertainty during purchase decisions. Display store payment options increases checkout confidence. Display price VT declaration improves pricing transparency. Color variants, radio buttons display, and color variants. Display improve variant selection. Display related items button and display relevant items. Title strengthen product discovery. Items description accordion and store. Item description accordion improve readability. Store item. Highlight and store items. Highlight lets you surface key information without clutter. Display checkout button can streamline purchase actions where appropriate. Convenient currency converter supports global browsing and reduces conversion friction. Priceless cost reformatter normalizes price formatting for cleaner consistency. 5. Collection layout, sorting, and discovery. For sites with lots of items, ordering and scanning matter. Rearrange, view order, and filter. View order, give users control over how they browse. Randomize, view order, bulk randomize view order, and blog store collection page. Randomize order. Keep repeat visits fresh. Blog store collection page, custom grid layout gives you structure beyond the default layouts. Quick change excerpt display improves readability of collection listings. 6. Page performance and stability. This category is about keeping sites fast and reliable as they scale. Advanced Section Content Loader helps load content more intelligently. Image Performance Mode supports smoother loading for image-heavy pages. Reconfirmation hashtag scroller improves anchor reliability when layouts shift. 7. Admin, Structure, and Builder utilities. These plugins help maintain control across templates and long-term editing. Custom Class and ID Enactor creates reliable hooks for styling and scripts. Universal Meta and Icon Manager centralizes metadata consistency. Tablet and mobile edit mode views improves edit clarity for on-the-go adjustments. Declare Specifics View helps enforce consistent structure for summary and gallery blocks. Page sections. Color definition and standardize. Page section color. Keep design language consistent across pages. 8. Social and sharing. Designed to increase distribution without messy manual setup. Page social sharing buttons and collection pages. Social share buttons add share functionality where it matters. 9. AI-led discovery. For sites where visitors don't know what to click next. Ask AI Page Discovery and blogs. Ask AI Page Discovery add question-led navigation routes, especially useful on hubs and help pages. That's the key point. The catalog isn't random. It's a practical set of experience upgrades, grouped around the real friction points that appear as a Squarespace site grows. CxPlus is delivered through 3 subscription options, and they're designed around how many sites you manage and how you prefer to pay. CxPlus Monthly. CxPlus Monthly is €1.99 per month, billed monthly, excluding VAT. It's the simplest entry point if you want flexibility, or if you're actively evolving a single site and prefer to keep everything month to month. You get access to the plugin system, tutorials, and ongoing updates as the library expands. CxPlus Annual. CxPlus Annual is €16.99 per year, billed every 12 months, excluding VAT. On an effective monthly basis, it works out at around €1.42 per month, and it's positioned as the best value for a single website if you want long-term consistency and lower cost over time. CxPlus Annual Multi-Site. CxPlus Annual Multi-Site is €118.99 per year, billed every 12 months, excluding VAT. That covers up to 10 websites, with an effective cost of around €9.92 per month for the bundle. It's built for operators managing multiple brands, client sites, or multi-domain setups, where you want the same capability across environments. Across all tiers, the core benefit is the same. You're not paying per plugin. You're subscribing to a growing system, meaning new solutions arrive without needing to rebuy, relicense, or reevaluate every time you want a new capability. A few important operational notes to set expectations clearly. Support is provided in English. The system is developed with the English language in mind. The initial setup email is distributed approximately every 5 minutes to keep onboarding smooth. Subscribing does not grant the right to resell the code or claim author ownership. If you want a stable foundation for long-term site improvement, the subscription model is the point. Predictable cost, expanding capability, and consistent setup patterns. Once you're subscribed, using CxPlus is straightforward, but it helps to understand the structure. First, CxPlus requires an initializer code placed in header code injection. In Squarespace, code injection is available on business and commerce plans, so that's the baseline requirement. From there, CxPlus is split into two plugin types, passive and block. Passive plugins. Passive plugins are designed to apply site-wide or page-level behavior once the header code is in place. Think navigation upgrades, blog enhancements, store clarity tools, and performance helpers. When you're in Squarespace edit mode, you'll see a passive button at the top left of the live display view. Clicking it opens the Passive Plugins hub, where you can browse and tweak plugins quickly. Block plugins. Block plugins are designed for intentional placement, usually inside code blocks. These are the plugins you deploy into specific areas of a page, like interactive filters, show/hide interactions, countdown timers, and other targeted UI behavior. When you're editing a page and you open a code block edit pop-up, you'll see a block entry point that opens the block plugins hub. That hub helps you generate the right snippet, ready to copy and paste into your code block. Finding the right plugin quickly. Inside both hubs, plugins can be shown based on page type, normal pages, blog pages, store pages, collections, and so on. You can tick Show All Plugins to reveal everything. You can filter by typing, so large catalogs stay usable. Instructions, documentation, and support. Every plugin includes a description and option guidance inside the hubs, but the deeper setup instructions live in the CxPlus system. The CxPlus system is your documentation center. It hosts the tutorials, the plugin instructions, and the structured how-to guidance that makes each plugin predictable to implement. You can access the system directly from the System button in the header navigation of ProjektID. Bookmark it because it's designed to be used repeatedly as you roll out more plugins. For support, there are multiple layers. The system content helps you self-serve most setups. There's AI-powered assistance for guidance and troubleshooting. And there's also a dedicated contact assistance form with a waiting time depending on demand. That's the full workflow. Subscribe, install the header initializer, use the passive and block hubs to deploy enhancements, and rely on the CxPlus system for tutorials and ongoing guidance.